Adding text to your website is easy with the Rhythmic Rebellion Site Builder. Just click open the Features panel and drag a text feature anywhere on your page. Double-click inside the text feature to select the placeholder text and start typing the text you want to display. You can resize the width of the text feature by dragging the handles, like this. The text feature will automatically expand vertically to contain whatever text you type in it. Use the paragraph drop-down inside the editor palette to select between paragraph and headings 1 through 3. Use heading 1 for the title of your page, and heading 2 and 3 to label other sections of your page. Everything else should use the paragraph style. Change the size of your text with the font size selector. And adjust the line space with the line height selector. You can change the font by using the Font Family drop-down and selecting from our list of fonts. Use the other tool in the editor palette to style your text. You can change the text weight on most fonts, like this. Add a drop shadow to your text. Control its position, the amount of blur, and its color and opacity. Change the color of your text using the predefined color palette, or select a custom color using the color picker. You can also change the opacity of the text this way for some truly unique text overlays. You can change the positioning of your text. Add bold and italics. And create hyperlinks, like this. You can also create bulleted and numbered lists, or set a block of text as a quote. Finally, you can undo and redo any changes you've made using these icons, or by pressing Ctrl-Z on Windows and Command-Z on Mac to undo, and Ctrl-Shift-Z on Windows and Command-Shift-Z on Mac to redo.